Hey there, problem solvers. It's me, Christopher. Today on Problem Solved, we're talking about all my favorite home essentials. Wow! Growing up, I was a Boy Scout, and being a Boy Scout is all about being prepared. I keep some handy items with me just in case problems come up. I'm gonna show you one of my favorite things to have with you all the time. I guarantee you this will save you so much time and money. Best of all, you'll always be prepared. This is my daily grab bag, and it's become an essential part of my life. Here's what I have in mind. Sanitizer and chapstick, eye drops and medication, Band-Aids and lotion, floss, and I love these handy teeth cleaners, and yes, stain remover, tissues and wipes, a backup battery, backup cash, and an air tag. Oh, I guess I have nail clippers in there too. You want to make sure your bag is somewhere easy to access and remember. It's also a good idea to check and update the contents regularly. That way you're prepared for any small emergency or task. I like to review and restock my home kit every few months just to make sure everything's in working order and nothing's expired. With a little preparation, you'll be prepared for anything the day throws at you. What can I say? I just love solving problems. There's that age-old saying, a clean home is a happy home. Life gets messy, but cleaning doesn't have to be a problem. It can be easy, cheap, and even fun. These are all of my favorite natural cleaning solutions that can clean just about anything around the house. My go-to tools are microfiber cloths, scrub brushes, sponges, and gloves. Here are the main ingredients. With these, you can conquer any cleaning project. Vinegar, baking soda, isopropyl alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, barkeeper's friend, Dawn, I like the blue kind, and distilled water. All it takes is these ingredients and a variety of spray bottles to whip up a variety of DIY cleaning solutions. And don't forget to label each one. And you can add a steam cleaner, versatile enough to tackle any clean project all around the house with just water. I'm gonna fog up my glasses. As a bonus, keep lemons in your kitchen. They're great for cleaning. With this cleaning kit, you'll be ready when messes happen. Every tool has its right place in my kitchen. There's just something about organizing that makes me so happy. Organizing your kitchen drawers can make cooking and meal prep a breeze. Here's how you can efficiently arrange them. One thing you can do is organize by category. Use organizers and dividers that fit your drawers to prevent clutter. Cooking utensils near the stove for easy access. Keep baking tools separate, ideally where you do most of your baking. Eating utensils, keep near your plates and dishwasher for convenience. Store your sharps where you do most of your food prep. Reserve a drawer for miscellaneous odds and ends. Staying organized in the kitchen will save you so much more time and effort. All over the house, there are so many little things you can optimize. Of course, you can buy one of these kits, but I like to make it myself. Pre-built toolkits seem convenient, but usually include low-quality tools and items you don't need. Instead, build a toolkit to last a lifetime. These may seem like a really good buy or gift, but they're really not worth it. Here are the starter tools everyone needs. A good hammer, screwdriver with swappable tips, a sturdy tape measure, a quality cordless drill, an adjustable wrench, needle nose pliers, a set of hex keys, a utility knife, a headlamp or work light, and work gloves. As projects come up, you can add other high-quality tools to build your ultimate toolkit. It just takes these 10 tools to take on most home maintenance projects. It's so frustrating when you need something and it's expired. Even things you may not expect do have an expiration date. More isn't always more. Just because you can buy in bulk doesn't mean you always should. Keeping your medicine cabinet organized helps you find what you need quickly and ensure safety. First, you'll want to choose an appropriate storage area. It doesn't have to be the traditional medicine cabinet. Just pick a place that's cool, dry, and away from light. It could be a cupboard, a pantry, anywhere that works best for you. Because medications expire, it's best to buy in small quantities. My hands are little, so this bottle looks big. That way you'll have what you need without the waste. It's a good idea to only buy what you need when you need it. Don't stock up on things just in case. They tend to expire before you even need them. Always ensure your medications are in a secure spot, out of the reach of children. Keep it all in one spot and not spread throughout the house. Regularly check your supply and dispose of expired items properly. Expired? Some pharmacies offer take-back programs, which is a secure way to dispose of medicines. With these tips, you'll have a safe, happy, and healthy home. Now that's a problem solved. Let me know, what are some of your favorite tricks? Some pharmacies offer take-back programs, which is a secure... Where are you looking? I'm doing my best. I'm a real man. So I like to keep a few essentials with me all the time, so life doesn't catch me off guard. Like right now. This is why I keep... This is why... Well, where... I can't see! Ah! Oh, you're my best friend too.